Hi everyone, this is the first day of TCS coding preparation. Okay, Uh, we will solve 100 questions in which we cover beginner to advanced level. First, we will starting from the first and second smallest. Basically, it is very easy problem, but we are starting from the beginner to advanced level. So this is our first problem. We will as we move forward, we increase the difficulty level of the questions. Okay, after solving 100 question, it is my guarantee that you will easily able to clear the TCS NQT exam. Okay, you will understand all the basic concepts. We will start rotation level questions, arrays, TCS previous year questions, also string based questions, severity based questions. All basically we will cover all major questions which is asked by the TCS. Okay, let's move to the first problem. Basically it is the first and second smallest. Let's move to the board and we understand the problem. Okay, now there is a array is given. Okay, we have to find the first smallest and second. So first smallest is 2, second smallest is 3. How can we find it through the code? Okay, first we can easily we can find it. We can iterate one loop for the first smallest and second loop for the second smallest. Very easy in two loops. But how can we find it in one loop? Let's see. We take a min 1 as a first smallest and min 2 as a second smallest. How can we find it? Iterate one loop I. First we stored min 1 and min 2 as a max value. Integer of max value, it is like any max value of the integer. Then first comes 2. Let's see 2. 2 is less than min 1. Okay. 2 is less than max value, integer max value. Yes, it is. So what we can do? First update the min 2 with minimum. We replace min 1 with min 2. And देखो first min 2 is equal to min 1. So min 1 already max. It remains max. We update it to 2. Okay. I move. I move to 4. 4 is less than 2. No, 4 is not less than 2. So min 1 remains 2. But min 2 may be 4. If there is not 3, then second smallest is 4. है ना? Okay. So what we do? We can update if 2 is less than 4, 4 is less than 2. No. So we check with min 2. Is 4 is less than min 2? It is max value. Yes, 4 is less than integer max value. So we update it to 4. Again, I move to 3. 3 is less than 2? No. Okay, we check with min 2. Is 3 is less than 4? Yes, it is. So we update min 2 to 3. Okay, again I move. 5 is less than 2? No. 5 is less than 3? No. Move I. 6 is less than 2? No. 6 is less than 3? No. Move I. I move. Just it breaks. How can we write a pseudo code? Let's see. First, for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. What we are doing? If array of I less than min 1. Okay. If array of I less than min 1, what we do? Update the min 2 to min 1. Okay, so we can easily find it first smallest and second smallest, and min 1 is equal to array of I. Simple. But in else, if array of I is less than min 2. Okay, if this false, this condition false, then it goes to else statement min 2 if it is less than min 2. And we we will need to check one condition or another, like the array of I is not equal to min 1. Okay, because the min 1 is first smallest and second smallest is quite different from the min 1. So we will check array of I is not equal to min 1. If array of I is not equal to min 1 and array of I less than min 2, then what we are doing? Simply min 2 is equal to array of I. Just it breaks. So it is finally we can find out answer. This is the pseudo code. Okay, let's see on the code. Let's see how can we find it. First we take a min 1 is equal to integer, sorry, integer dot max value, and we take a min 2 in which we also do it in teaser dot max value. Okay, what we are doing, just iterating through I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, simple I plus plus. Okay, now what if array of I less than min 1? What we can do, first update the min2 to min1, and min1 is equal to array of I, simple. What if it breaks, the first element is not greater than the array of I? Okay, then the second statement works. Else if array of I less than min2, okay, but array of I is not equal to min1 also. Okay, then what we do, min2 is equal to array of I, and just there is a statement check. If the smallest and the second smallest do not exist, like in this first 1 1 1, there is only one smallest, not second smallest, so we have to return -1. How can we check that? Check return if min1 is equal to integer dot max value, or min2 is equal to integer dot max value. Okay, if one of them is integer dot max, means we cannot find both. Okay, so we return new int, sorry, array list, we have to return arrays dot as list. Okay, return simple -1. But what we return when we find new string, simple, oh sorry, array list arrays dot as list min1 comma min2, simple. Okay, just let's see the answer. Now let's run it. Just simple. Okay, we will see the next question in the next video. Okay.